Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's almost 8 o'clock and we are going on adventure. And I'm trying to wake up my husband who is super sleepy. But we need to go because we need to pick up also 2 more people and head to the mountains. I will take you with us. Let's go. He's coming. And I am packing. And I'm packing the car. Here is a drone inside. Let's go. What are you doing?
Biscuit.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Finally in the car. Super sunny. It is 8 o'clock and it's about 25 degrees Celsius already. Today will be really sunny, warm weather. We are heading to Gotenen. I will again put the name here. This place is super pretty with amazing views to lakes, mountains. My husband has been there with the motorcycle, but now we are heading with the car and also 2 other friends are coming with us. Let's go.
Ja. Was?
And here we have the pool. We have my cousin Sylvia. Hello, hello. And we have my colleague and friend Sula. Wow. Hi Sula. Hi. You're in the vlog.
Oh.
Look at how many motorcycles. So you have this gorgeous view. You have the mountains behind, which at the cover of the So you have this view of the mountains. You have and the cover of the rocks is greenish. It's super interesting, and the water as well is green, light green, super pretty color. Yep. Lunchtime.
En goede.
Good then. And we are back. We are back home. We just arrived. We are super tired. It was a long day, almost 12 hours on the road. The most exhausting thing was the traffic jam. But finally we are home. Right?
Bye.
Why? He's super tired. Now we are going home. We need to make some dinner, eat, and then rest. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.